Hey, my name is Shannon. We're in Canoga Park, Los Angeles, California. Well, there was a massive burst in my pipes and my kitchen was destroyed. And then it was a matter of getting it back to working condition and even better. I found these guys, high-tech builders, through Vogue. They recommended them to me and it was a major payoff. When I first met Carlos, I was a bit frantic. Things were a little chaotic. And he told me that not only could we fix this, it would probably look a lot better because let me tell you, the way the kitchen looked before was pretty awful. So the workers were great. The building was maybe 2.5 weeks about. Super fast, super fast. I can cook, I can clean, I have beautiful matching appliances. It's bright, it's nice and open. We actually even kind of fixed the configuration in a little way to make the kitchen even bigger. So it's much better than before. I'm actually kind of happy that the pipes exploded, so yeah. I would recommend high-tech builders, definitely. To all my friends, family, they're definitely gonna be the next call if anything else explodes in my house, for sure. A big thank you to high-tech builders, and especially Carlos for helping me through this process. It was really difficult to get through it. I didn't really know that much, and without his help, I would have given up, for sure.